Welcome back today with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, today in the kitchen. Anyway, we just want to give you a quick update on what's going on in the kitchen today with Chef Ricardo. We are talking about my cookbook, which is we sell quite a few copies of the cookbook, and also we have the new one which is gonna be coming out very soon. The new one gonna have all of these recipes: how to lose weight, how to detox your body, how to be, eat healthy. I have a lot of recipes. So all of these recipes which on my YouTube channel gonna be in this book. The name of the book is gonna be Chef Ricardo Cookbook. That's it. So it's gonna be very easy and simple, and I know you guys gonna be just find it really fantastic, guys. You guys gonna love that one. But in the meantime, a lot of people do support me on this book. You know which one? The one that said Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook. We sell quite a few copies of it, which we're really happy. We just want to say thanks all of the fans who support me, and big up on yourself. And this is from me and the team, Chef Ricardo team. We work very hard to find ideas and recipe for the fans them. Now we start a thing every Sunday. We do a special Sunday dinner. Ideas again which can share with the fans and that they can do that at home and make their family happy. Now we are coming out with a new idea. This one, your budget, or you can save money, and or you can budget yourself for the week and all these things. Look out for that one. I'm gonna do a video on that one coming up very soon. We're giving away a lot of the books. So guys, thank you for your support, and thank you for what you're being doing for Chef Ricardo. All the subscribing and all the time you're spending leaving your comments is just amazing. Thank you so much, and I want to take the time and say big up all of you guys, and we love you. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and say thank you so much. And remember, the cookbook is on Amazon and there's a 50% off at the moment. And also once you go on the internet and you type in Chef Ricardo Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook, you will get the book exactly what I'm talking about. So thank you so much for all of the fans who support me, and the cookbook is amazing. Leave the comments and the review. You can go on the website chefricardo.co.uk, sign up, and you never know when I will be giving away things where you can win one and all these things. So there's a lot of stuff coming in the pipeline, so look forward. We got a Christmas cake recipe coming out very soon. A lot of things for Christmas. We got the recipe for your fruit cake. So there's a lot of stuff coming out, guys. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and watch the video then. And thank you so much.